I am super mega almighty, omniscient, omnipresent, omnipotent God.
What's up, guys? Icon here, super mega almighty, omniscient, omnipresent, omnipotent God talking here. Today we're going to be reacting to Martian Manhunter. Fun fact about Martian Manhunter: in Justice League, there was this series where Martian Manhunter was hearing voices and he couldn't control his head. He was going through people's houses and hearing the voices of other people in their fucking apartment, and he couldn't find some peace of mind. And then Superman helped him later on in that episode in Justice League. Fun fact: Superman is good, but there's also a man called Omega Man, which I'm going to include in the fucking next video. Omega Man, Omega Man, Omega Man. But before we enter into Omega Man, let's dive right into this fucking video. This is why you love Martian Manhunter. Martian Manhunter or John John. Alright, let's dive right into the fucking video. Pretty cool! Alright.
Can I help you?
This is Ben Affleck Batman.
I'm sure you know
Damn.
Darkseid.
Yeah, Ben Affleck Batman is fucking good. He's dating Jennifer Lopez. I don't know if they're broken up or whatever the fuck, but I still think that is with Jennifer Lopez, alright?
It is not finished with Earth. The anti-life equation is here somewhere.
The movie part of Martian Manhunter looks like some fucking odd lizard. The head shape is fucking weird. It doesn't look like the Justice League animated cartoon style, okay?
We have to find it before he does.
Okay.
There's a war coming.
Alright.
And I'm here to help.
Okay.
I'm sorry. Who are you again?
Okay.
Gone by many names.
Okay.
And taken many forms.
Alright.
And like you, I've realized I have a stake in this world.
Ooh. Alright. Justice League of America 1997. Alright. Damn, I haven't seen this. The Justice League of America. I don't know if Superman is in this episode, but I would love to know. Not really episode, in this movie rather. I don't know if he's in the... Okay, not even Justice League of America. It's League of America, alright. This is Flash. Ha! Flash look weird as fuck. Oh my fucking god. This is our fucking Martian Manhunter. Martian Manhunter. Martian Manhunter looks fucking weird. The fucking costume is fucking crazy. I don't understand what the fuck is going on. Alright. Okay. Sheesh. Sheesh. Okay. Alright. I guess that's me. I don't know.
Welcome, Tori.
Hello,
Damn.
Mrs. Kent.
Alright, Justice League. Yeah. This is the one. This is the one I watched. This is the one I remembered. And this is the Martian Manhunter that I love. I prefer to call him John John. Yeah, that's fucking good. Martian fucking Manhunter. This guy is fucking cool as fuck. Okay? And you should love him. You should love Martian Manhunter. He's fucking cool. Okay.
I am extremely rich. I am extremely wealthy right now. I absolutely love being a trillionaire. I have $1 trillion now in my bank account. I can see on my bank statement that there is now $1 trillion.
Was most consistent,
He appears quite regularly in the series. Yeah. I love the intro scene of this Justice League. Mwah. Mwah.
Oh, we're no strangers to aliens in this house. You just make yourself at home.
This is Clark Kent. He's in Superman's house. Yeah.
With Barbara. She'll be home
Okay.
for New Year's.
As long as she's not here, you can have her room.
Okay. Justice League Unlimited. Damn. Martian Manhunter. This one looks different from the other one. I've watched this one too, and I've watched the previous one. This one is the ta na 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 na, which Superman was fucking cool. Or the old Justice League was fucking cool, and then the other Justice League superheroes. Oh yeah, oh yeah. I'm gonna have my fucking superheroes. You guys watch and see. The next video is gonna be fucking amazing. Okay, let's check it out.
Good to see you, man. I've got a lot to tell you.
Damn, Wonder
We'll
love
catch up
them.
later.
They love each other.
Wouldn't
That's
miss it.
pretty good.
First
You
things
should
first.
too. Yeah. Now they're flying. Whoa. Flying back. Ha. They're done. They're fucking done. They fucking done all the fucking bad guys into fucking birds. What the fuck is going on? They fucking done all the whole fucking bad guys into fucking birds. Damn. Magic. And fun part again is that magic. I don't know, does magic work on Martian Manhunter? DC nerds, DC geeks, Marvel nerds. Okay, Marvel, fuck you, Marvel. I don't hate you, but fuck you, Marvel. This is DC stuff. Okay, DC nerds. That was magic walk on fucking Martian Manhunter. Tell me, leave it in the comments. Tell me what you know about it. Okay, let's check the video out. Pretty cool. Hey. Damn. God damn. Whoa.
You did work well,
Damn,
partners.
Batman 2004,
Perhaps you would be
2008. Okay, I don't like the design of Martian Manhunter and this Batman. I don't know why they like making people or characters grim in Batman. They love doing this shit a lot, and I don't appreciate the appearance of Martian Manhunter in this fucking Batman episode. Okay, let's check it out.
To expanding your circle.
Okay.
Sorry, John. I already have 2 partners. Don't need a third.
Actually,
I guess Batman's gonna look
we were
fucking
hoping
weird.
you
Oh, look
would
at
join
his fucking
us.
face. Look at his fucking face. Sheesh. I don't give a shit. Ah, god damn. Batman looks. Ah, god. The art design is poor as fuck. So fucking poor. I don't like it. I don't like Batman in this series. It's fucking trash. But I still like Batman. Okay.
Let me show you.
Whoa! Damn! Okay, they teleported! Damn! I didn't know Martian Manhunter could teleport. That's a new... I thought he could only fly and turn to different people. I didn't know he could teleport. It's fucking overpowered, man! Okay!
I appreciate the assist. I'm interested in you. You are not a human. But you are forced to be.
I used to have special abilities like
Whoa!
But you sacrificed them to save Clark Kent.
Ha! Okay?
You see what I see in Clark Kent, but without the aid of the helmet of Naboo.
Pump back! Pump back!
His magic.
Pump back! Pump back!
Reveals
Pump
the fates
back!
of
This dude looks like Magneto. Yes, I know it's not Magneto, but the face, and it's giving me that Magneto aura, okay?
people around.
Alright! Justice League New Frontier, 2008, okay? Ha! Martian Manhunter looks like Groot. It looks like fucking Groot from Guardians of the fucking Galaxy. Sheesh. Damn. Okay. Okay. What the fuck? What the fuck? Is why is it drawing like that? This shit is oh gosh. And now he transformed into another man. Sheesh. Whoa. Okay. Now I guess this is like some it turned to Bugs Bunny. They're like trying to do some parody. I don't think it's a parody, definitely. It's just some, you know, it's DC own Warner Brothers own the rights to this image, okay? Okay, Batman Brave and the Bold 2008 to 2011. Pretty cool! Cool! Woo! It looks like Aquaman. Damn! And now Batman is a fucking zombie. Damn! Batman is a fucking zombie. Damn! Fucking damn! Yeah, I said that 3 times. Fuck! Okay.
Open your mind
okay.
so I can help.
Sheesh! No!
Destroy me, Jean. You
Whoa!
must change our orbit.
Oh no!
I don't understand.
He doesn't understand.
These Earthers were
Justice
brought here
League
by
since
your
2010.
freak of an Ashen sister. And
Okay.
Miss Emery Jones. I know McGann Maoz is your sister.
I do not appreciate you talking about my nieces in that manner.
And
Ooh.
I don't appreciate you
Damn.
building a bridge to
Martian Manhunter looks weird. It looks fucking weird in this scene. It looks so fucking weird. I don't like how he looks like in this scene. Like sheesh. Damn. Fuck. It doesn't look good. It doesn't look good. It looks like a snake. It looks like a python. Yeah, it fucking looks like a fucking python. What the fuck?
bring more Earthers to Mars.
Okay.
Damn. Culture.
But the sister is kind of hot though. Damn. God damn. Whoa. Woo. Mwah. Yeah. Mwah. It's fucking hot. Sheesh.
Jeez,
Martian
Okay.
Manhunter's doing
That
his
is
visible
robot
sidekick
chicken.
thing again.
Robot chicken.
Care for
Martian
a soda,
Manhunter.
Martian boy hunter?
Yeah, I guess they're parodying the Justice League animation, like Justice League Adventures. They're parodying Justice League Adventures or Martian Manhunter because that's the coolest one. That's the fucking coolest Justice League Justice League Martian Manhunter, okay? Yeah, I said it. Pretty cool.
I am extremely rich. I am extremely wealthy right now. I absolutely love being a trillionaire. I have $1 trillion now in my bank account. I can see on my bank statement that there is now...
Giving me the silent treatment again.
Alright.
Kids, right?
So, you're the latest Aqualad, eh?
There was another Aqualad before me?
Whoa! Alright. Damn! Pretty cool! Whoa! Justice League Crisis on 2 Earths, okay? Whoa! Stay away! Damn! Okay, I've seen this one, Crisis on 2 Earths. The Martian Manhunter, yeah, it's pretty good. It's pretty amazing. But Justice League animation, like that was the coolest one. I'm still gonna say it, and I'm still gonna fucking say it again. Yeah, I said it. I'm still gonna fucking say it, okay? Justice League animation is the coolest fucking one of them all. Let's check it out. Yeah, let's check it fucking out. Okay. Whoa! Damn. He's gonna save him. He's turning to different. I'm turning to any fucking thing. Whoa! Alright. I'm gonna end the video here, okay? The video is ended. Go check my merch. The ad is gonna come in 3, 2, 1. I know you see somehow the world is stationary and be so weather. Okay, just fucking check it out, alright guys. So here are the digital comics that we have today. Okay, if you've seen this, then probably you're looking at the comics that is in the bio. Yeah, keep looking at them. They're pretty good comics, okay? Yeah, keep going. Alright. Okay, if you've seen this, then probably you're looking at the comics that is in the bio. Yeah, keep looking at them. They're pretty good comics, okay? Yeah, keep going. Alright. Okay, if you've seen this, then probably you're looking at the comics that is in the bio. Yeah, keep looking at them. They're pretty good comics, okay? Yeah, keep going. Alright. Okay, if you've seen this, then probably you're looking at the comics that is in the bio. Yeah, keep looking at them. They're pretty good comics, okay? Yeah, keep going. Alright. Okay, if you've seen this, then probably you're looking at the comics that is in the bio. Yeah, keep looking at them. They're pretty good comics, okay? Yeah, keep going. Alright. Okay, if you've seen this, then probably you're looking at the comics that is in the bio. Yeah, keep looking at them. They're pretty good comics, okay? Yeah, keep going. Alright. Okay, if you've seen this, then probably you're looking at the comics that is in the bio. Yeah, keep looking at them. They're pretty good comics, okay? Yeah, keep going. Alright. Okay, if you've seen this, then probably you're looking at the comics that is in the bio. Yeah, keep looking at them. They're pretty good comics, okay? Yeah, keep going. Alright. Okay, if you've seen this, then probably you're looking at the comics that is in the bio. Yeah, keep looking at them. They're pretty good comics, okay? Yeah, keep going. Alright. Okay, if you've seen this, then probably you're looking at the comics that is in the bio. Yeah, keep looking at them. They're pretty good comics, okay? Yeah, keep going. Alright.
I am super mega almighty, omniscient, omnipresent, omnipotent God. I am super mega almighty, omniscient, omnipresent, omnipotent God.